On the west end of the city, hidden in plain sight, is one of Edmonton's best retirement communities called Touchmark. But did you know you can live in a luxurious bungalow inside this community? Yeah, you can, and there's a whole bunch of cool perks that come with it. This retirement community offers the flexibility of independent living and increased care as you need it. It's so exclusive that I'm not even allowed to live here, unless I divorce my wife and get me a 55 plus sugar mama. It's located in Donsdale, right across from the Co-op grocery store, 5 minutes from Collingwood, 10 minutes from Windermere, and 10 minutes from West Edmonton Mall and the Misericordia Hospital. You won't believe the services available to you here. Don't like cooking? No problem. They got breakfast, lunch, and dinner packages available, or they could be purchased individually. You don't like cleaning? No problem. They can do that too. They've also got maintenance services, personal care, guest suites, massage therapy, and salon services available. There's a whole bunch of stuff. And you don't have to take any of it. You could take some of it. It's totally up to you. All right, are you guys ready to take a look at this house now? Let's do it. It's got great curb appeal. I like the stonework, double car garage. Across the street, you can see the other Touchmark buildings where you can get access to the meals and all that kind of stuff. But it's a nice private road back here, and it's real quiet. Beautiful entryway. I love the tile work. Opens up into the hardwood floor and the rest of the house. Got plenty of room to come in, sit down, take your boots off. All that light coming in through the windows is a huge plus as well. To the left of the entryway, there is the perfect space for an office. It's got hardwood floors in here as well, 3 windows, and there is a closet, so it could be used as a bedroom instead if you wanted. Wow. From here, you've got a large open concept room. You got your dining room here, your kitchen over there, and your living room back there. They did not skimp out on this kitchen. This massive island has granite countertops, a double sink, dark cabinetry, and the dishwasher. You got room for 3 or more stools at the eat-up bar. Across from that, you've got access to the pantry. The pantry has got plenty of room. The same countertops, this time with white cabinetry, your stove, and an over-the-range microwave hood fan. And on the other side, you've got your fridge, a little bit more countertop space, and some cabinets. This kitchen is awesome. And this fridge is huge. Overall, this kitchen has everything you could want. The dining room's got room for a 6-seater. I like how it's tucked in the corner here, so it's easily accessed, but not in the way. And then we've got the living room. What's not to love? You've got hardwood floors, lots of windows, a gas fireplace, and easy access to the deck. The deck is well equipped. Got room for a 4+ seater here. Got your gas fireplace over here with the gas line, which is nice. And then you've got stairs going down into the yard. You can see the pathways behind here. This will look beautiful in the summer after all the leaves have grown on the trees. It's time to go take a look at the master. You get to walk down this little hallway here. Got a small closet on the left. This is a big master bedroom. More than enough room for a king-size bed, 2 nightstands. Got some other furniture over here, 2 big windows. Very comfortable. Looks out into the backyard. The master suite also has this massive walk-in closet. And as you can see, you've got plenty of room for lots of clothes, shelves, even room for a dresser tucked in at the end. And next up is the ensuite. I like that it has a high countertops. It's comfortable even if you're a little bit taller. The his and her sinks, dark cabinetry. It's the same granite countertop that was in the kitchen. Nice big mirror. Tall ceilings. It's a very comfortable bathroom. For those that like their baths, you've got a good sized bathtub here, tile surround, and a big window. The floors also have beautiful tile, but the highlight of this bathroom has got to be this shower. Tile surround. The tile selection is just beautiful. I love the dark plus the white creamy. You got a bench here, and you've got water on both sides plus nooks for plenty of storage. I mean, look at all this space. Like, this is super roomy for one person, and you could do 2 people in here as well. And you got your toilet tucked around the corner. And a nice safety feature of this bathroom is this is built in. It's one of those things where you can pull it, like the I've fallen and I can't get up thing, so that's awesome. that it'll alert someone to come and check on you. Wait, there's more. We're gonna take a look at the half bath, the garage, and then we're gonna head downstairs. The half bath is conveniently located near the front door, the stairs, and this sort of foyer area. It's a good sized bathroom for your guests, tile floor, toilet, a window, nice vanity, and it's also got another one of those. Next to the kitchen, you can also access the mudroom where there's tile floors. It's got your laundry area here, good folding space, bench again for your taking off your boots and whatnot, some more storage, and a place to hang up your coats. And then from here, of course, you can access your garage. Double oversized garage, so you got more than enough room for 2 cars. Plus there's this extra space at the back, which is awesome, so you can have a workshop back here as well, or more storage space. And it's heated so you can stay cozy even during the winter months. It's time to mosey on downstairs to the finished basement. This is a great rec room space. Got a fantastic bar over here on the left. Big rec room area, lots of windows, good place for a TV, hanging out with the family. The bar's got a mini fridge, a sink, and a dishwasher. Good room for storing your glasses and the alcohol. And the bar's got room for 4 people to sit. These windows back here are quite deep. They're kind of at my chest height, so it doesn't even really feel like you're in a basement, and you get lots of light down here as well. And this rec room area is huge. You could fit a lot of people very comfortably in here. Now, in case the bar and the rec room area isn't enough for you, we've got 2 more bedrooms and a full bathroom down here. Let's check it out. This first bedroom is freaking huge. You've got all this space in front of the bed, and you've also got nightstands on both sides. Big walk-in closet, another big window. Off of that bedroom, we've got another full bath, nice sink, toilet, and a tub shower combo. Classic, but it works. Also got that same tile floor down here. And next to that bathroom, we've got the other bedroom, currently being used as a workout room. This one is also huge. Also another walk-in closet at the end. Plush carpet, just like the rest of the basement. Even the storage area next to the utility room is huge in this house. You got plenty of room for your stuff. As you can probably see, no expense was spared on this house. If you'd like to see it in person, reach out to me at 780-819-5508. And if you'd like to watch another video, YouTube has a suggestion for you right over here. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.